Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. To my existing and to my new subscribers, welcome back to Bags and Designs by Khembuzz. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute, lovely, dashing, beautiful bag. Please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you do so. And don't forget to click on the notification button for more updates. To get more updates about bag making, please make sure you click on the notification of this particular, just click on the notification to get updates of our new videos. And also, guys, please make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end for a better understanding. And guys, please watch out for my next video. It's gonna be awesome, it's gonna be mind-blowing, so please make sure you stay glued to this channel. Thank you so much. I love you all. For the measurement, I'm going to be cutting out two exterior panels, and for the measurement, the height, which is the length, is 17 inches and is 11 inches. So I'm going to be cutting two exterior panels. I'm going to be cutting two lining panels, and I'm also going to be cutting for the side panel. I'm going to be cutting two side panels, which is 5 inches for the width, and the height is 12.5. For the bottom panel, I'm going to be taking a measurement of 5 for the width, and for the height, I'm going to be taking 16 inches. That is for the bottom panel. And for the handle panel, I'm going to be taking 2.2 inches for the width, and the length 26 inches. And for the flexi tube, I'm going to be taking 24 for the length, and for the width, which is the diameter of the flexi tube, I'm going to be taking 8 mm. Now I'm going to be starting with the bag by stitching the top of the bag. So I placed my exterior panel and my lining panel. I placed them right side together. So I'm going to stitch right side together.